Dear students, I Vishal Shaha once again welcome you all to this my YouTube channel. Today once again we are going to discuss another important part of the aromatic amines, that is the arene diazonium salt, which is also commonly known as the diazonium salt. If you remember, in previous videos we have completed with the different chemical properties that are shown by the aromatic amines. So I request you, if you have not followed the previous videos, just you can go through these videos. If you like these videos, please share and subscribe to your friends. So let's begin with today's session. Before that, just we will see what are the learning outcomes of this session. After this session, students will be able to explain what is the meaning of arene diazonium salt, right? Chemical properties of arene diazonium salt. First, we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of arene diazonium salt. Now, what is the meaning of arene diazonium salt? This is also one of the important class of compounds which is characterized by the presence of the functional group, that is the N triple bond N, which is known as the diazonium ion. Remember, if there is a presence of N double bond N, it is known as the azo functional group, and if there is a presence of N triple bond N, that is known as the diazonium ion, which is directly bonded to the aryl group. When this diazonium ion is directly bonded to the aryl group, this is known as the arene diazonium salt. Most commonly, diazonium salts are prepared by the treatment of aromatic amines with nitrous acid, and in addition to that, we have to use another additional acid, and this particular process or chemical reaction is carried out between 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Now, this nitrous acid that we are going to use, it is generated in situ. In situ means what? In the same flask it is generated. How it is to be generated? From sodium nitrite and the excess amount of mineral acid, for example hydrochloric acid. So actually in this reaction we are not going to use nitrous acid, but we are preparing nitrous acid within the flask. That's why this reaction is known as the in situ reaction. How nitrous acid is prepared? By reaction of sodium nitrite with the different mineral acids. Here we can use hydrochloric acid, then sulfuric acid, acetic acid even can also be used. Now this is the particular chemical reaction. Here you can say the example of aniline, which on a treatment with HNO2, that is the nitrous acid. This is the mineral acid that we have utilized, which leads into the formation of ArN2, where this N2, that is the N triple bond N, which is having a positive charge. As here there is a presence of positive charge, this particular species is not that much stable, or you can say it is stable at the 0 to 5 degree Celsius. So that's why it is important that if we change the temperature, then this particular arene diazonium salt becomes unstable, and we can replace this nitrogen atom with the help of the other functional group, or we can easily remove that nitrogen atom. So this is about the arene diazonium salt. Once again you can remember what is the meaning of arene diazonium salt, which is also known as the diazonium salt, where diazonium ion, that is the N triple bond N, is directly bonded to the aryl group. How they are prepared? By reaction of aniline with nitrous acid, we are getting the arene diazonium salt. Now, next point that we are going to discuss is reactions of this aromatic diazonium salts or arene diazonium salts. Now, diazonium salts are considered as a very useful intermediates to other compounds, because aromatic diazonium salts are only stable at very low temperature. As I said, they are stable between 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. it becomes advantageous for us, because if we change the temperature, again this particular aromatic diazonium salts can be converted into other functional group. So the reactions of aromatic diazonium salts are classified or categorized under two classes. One is the displacement of N2 group, that is the diazonium group, where we can displace this nitrogen atom with the help of the other functional group. And second category is a reaction in which nitrogen atoms are retained. In first class we are removing the nitrogen atom, in second part we are keeping nitrogen atom as it is. So these are the two different categories where reactions of aromatic diazonium salts are classified. So first we are going to discuss about the reactions in which displacement of nitrogen group is carried out by other groups or other atoms. So first reaction that we are going to discuss is replacement by halogens. Means the nitrogen atom that is present in the diazonium salt is replaced by the halogen. These reactions are known as the replacement by the halogen. Common reaction that is used for replacement of halogens is Sandmeyer reaction. There are two reactions are there. One is the Sandmeyer reaction and other one is the Gattermann reaction. So Sandmeyer reaction is the commonly used reaction when halogens are to be used to displace the nitrogen atom of the diazonium salt. Now the Sandmeyer reaction is a chemical reaction used to synthesize aryl halides from aryl diazonium salts, because nitrogen is replaced by the halide. That's why here we are going to synthesize the aryl halides from the aryl diazonium salt. Now you can see this reaction over here. This benzene diazonium chloride in presence of copper chloride, it will be converted into the chlorobenzene. Before that we have to synthesize this arene diazonium salt, as here there is a presence of the benzene or phenyl group is there. That's why this is known as the benzene diazonium chloride. How it is prepared? Aniline is reacted with sodium nitrite in presence of HCl, so that nitrous acid is to be generated. This nitrous acid attacks on the aniline, which leads into the formation of the benzene diazonium chloride. So this arene diazonium chloride on reaction with copper chloride, when this mixture is heated, it will be converted to the chlorobenzene. If instead of CuCl, if we use the CuBr, we will get the bromobenzene. In this way, this Sandmeyer reaction can be used to carry out the synthesis of aryl halides from the arene diazonium salt. Then, as I said, second reaction that we are going to discuss is Gattermann reaction. In this Gattermann reaction, this is also reaction where we can carry out the replacement of the nitro group, that is the nitrogen N triple bond N group with the help of the halogens. In the Gattermann reaction, benzene diazonium chloride is warmed with the copper powder and hydrochloric acid or the hydrobromide to produce the chlorobenzene or bromobenzene respectively. Means in previous reaction we have directly used copper chloride or copper bromide. Instead of that, here we are going to use copper powder. This copper powder can be used either in presence of hydrogen chloride or hydrogen bromide. If we use hydrogen chloride, we will get the chlorobenzene, and if we use the hydrogen bromide, we will get the bromobenzene. Now this name is given after the German chemist who has firstly invented this reaction, Ludwig Gattermann. That's why the name is given Gattermann reaction. Now this is the reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with copper powder along with the hydrochloric acid. So copper powder along with the hydrochloric acid, again it leads into the formation of the copper chloride. If we use HBr, here there will be formation of CuBr. When this mixture is heated, again it will be converted into the either chlorobenzene or bromobenzene depending upon the reactant that we are going to use. in this both the reaction you can see here to this benzene there is attachment of this nitrogen group is there, and in this product you can see this nitrogen group is replaced by the halogen. That's why these reactions are known as the displacement of the N2, where the other groups displaces this nitrogen atom, that is the diazonium ion that is present over this particular arene group. This is about the Gattermann reaction. Next, third reaction that we are going to see is under the category of the miscellaneous replacement, where replacement is carried out by the hydrogen atom. Arene diazonium cations, that is the arene diazonium salts, are reduced by hypophosphorus acid or sodium stannite to give respective arenes. Arenes means what? Aryl group. Here you can see this particular reaction where this benzene diazonium chloride, when it is reacted with the hypophosphorus acid. Hypophosphorus acid is nothing but the H3PO2, and H3PO3 is known as the phosphoric acid, and H3PO2 is known as the hypophosphorus acid. So when benzene diazonium chloride is reacted with the hypophosphorus acid, this N triple bond N, that is the diazonium group, is replaced by the hydrogen atom, and we will get the benzene. If we use different arene diazonium chloride over here, we will get the different arene or the aromatic compound. In this way, nitrogen is also evolved in this particular reaction, where nitrogen atom is replaced by the hydrogen atom. So this is about the replacement by hydrogen. Then next reaction that we are going to discuss is replacement by a hydroxyl group. Now here when we carry out the replacement of the diazonium group with the help of the hydroxyl group, we will get the phenols. That is, the phenols are produced by heating aqueous solutions of the aryl diazonium salts to 100 degrees Celsius. Now the phenol that is formed, it may react with the diazonium salt, and hence the reaction is carried out in presence of an acid, and due to the use of this acid, it helps in suppressing this particular further reaction. Now we will see this particular reaction. You can see over here this benzene diazonium chloride, when it is heated in aqueous solution. Aqueous means here we are going to use the water. So benzene diazonium chloride, when heated in presence of the aqueous solution, this nitrogen is replaced by the phenol, that is the hydroxyl group. Now what happens? This phenol that is formed, it is capable of reacting with this benzene diazonium chloride. So when phenol reacts with the benzene diazonium chloride, there will be formation of azo compounds will take place. So means different product is obtained than the expected product, and due to which, to suppress this particular reaction, excess amount of acid is utilized, so that only we will get the phenol. So this is about the replacement by a hydroxyl group. Next displacement reaction that we are going to see is replacement by the nitro group. Here nitrobenzene can be obtained by treating benzene diazonium chloride with the sodium nitrite in presence of the copper. So when benzene diazonium chloride is reacted with the sodium nitrite in presence of the copper, N2 is replaced by this nitro group, and we will get the nitrobenzene. In this way, we can use different replacement reactions where nitrogen atom of benzene diazonium chloride is replaced by a different functional group. Few other reactions also are there that we will see in the next video. Before that, here is the exercise for you. You have to go to this particular website and answer the particular question that is given on this particular website. Thank you.